The bird dog is a great trunk movement. It's going to really develop the musculature along the back of the body. We create this cross-body movement where we're going to be moving opposite arm, opposite leg. So this is going to be in a quadruped position. So what we want to do is root the arms to the floor, and we want to establish a nice neutral spinal position. So whatever feels comfortable to you. We don't want to be too rounded. We don't want to be too arched. We want to be somewhere in between. So we're going to kind of twist into the floor, create tension here, and then what we're going to do is lift the opposite arm, opposite leg, and then we're going to try and hold, typically for 10-second counts. What we want to avoid doing is tipping. It defeats the whole purpose of the exercise when we're really sloppy with the trunk and we're moving all around. What we want to focus on is keeping the body locked into position and then moving from the arm and leg, not the trunk.